everyone, welcome to my channel. So yeah, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a realistic texture drawing using super cheap pencils. So I actually went to the store and I bought a super cheap pencil and watercolor pencil, and it actually turned out really good. Like the texture was as in I couldn't I couldn't believe that I could actually get something really good like that. So I'm going to show you guys all the way how I started and how I finished it, and you're going to tell me what you think. Just drop your comments in the comment section and give me a like, just give me a rating, tell me what you think. So I'm going to show you guys how everything is, the kind of texture, the kind of tones, and how you can blend everything together and make a good drawing. So thank you so much for staying by, and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much.